Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get good at breakdancing. We'll start by building a strong foundation. Begin with fundamental top rock steps to develop your rhythm and coordination. Next, practice basic footwork like the 6-step to improve agility and flow. Don't forget to master foundational freezes, such as the baby freeze, for strength and balance. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to stretching, which is crucial for flexibility and preventing injuries. Once you have a solid foundation, it's time to build your core strength and power. Strengthen your core with exercises like planks and crunches, which are essential for dynamic power moves. Practice handstands against a wall to develop crucial upper body strength. Begin learning basic power moves, such as the swipe, to gain momentum and control. Aim to dedicate 30 minutes to 1 hour daily to practicing these new skills. Now, let's focus on mastering advanced techniques and developing your unique style. Start by incorporating smooth transitions between your footwork, freezes, and power moves. Experiment with different movements and combinations to develop your personal flair. Watching experienced dancers can provide immense inspiration and new ideas for your own practice. Aim to practice consistently for at least 1 hour, 5 days a week, to see significant improvement. Consistent practice and safety are paramount for long-term progress. Always warm up for at least 10 minutes before each session to prepare your body. After practicing, cool down for 5 to 10 minutes to aid recovery and prevent injury. Ensure you practice on a smooth, non-abrasive surface to protect your joints and skin. Finally, record your sessions. Reviewing them helps you track progress and pinpoint areas for improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.